Their Excellencies President Widodo and President Roa Duterte and President of the Republic of the Philippines on cooperation to ensure maritime security in Sulu Sea. President, exchange of documents will now take place. This concludes the signing of the joint declaration by both presidents. Let us extend a round of
Yang Mulia Presiden Rodrigo Duterte, merupakan kehormatan bagi Indonesia menerima kunjungan kenegaraan Presiden Duterte, dan tadi Presiden Duterte dengan saya baru saja melakukan pertemuan bilateral yang sangat produktif dan bersahabat. Ada 3 hal yang perlu saya sampaikan. Yang pertama, saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Presiden Duterte terhadap 177 orang calon haji kita yang bermasalah dan 168 sudah diselesaikan. Kami ucapkan terima kasih. Dan yang 9 masih di Manila, kami tadi juga meminta agar juga dibantu untuk secepatnya bisa diselesaikan. Yang kedua, kami juga ingin mengucapkan terima kasih atas kerjasama yang telah diberikan oleh pemerintah Filipina, oleh Presiden Duterte, atas masalah yang kira-kira ada 700 WNI kita yang sekarang ini sudah berada di Saudi Arabia menunaikan ibadah haji, tetapi lewat kuota dari Filipina. Dan tadi Presiden Duterte juga sudah menyampaikan untuk juga ini bisa diselesaikan bersama-sama. Sekali lagi kami mengucapkan terima kasih. Kemudian yang ketiga, kami juga ingin mengucapkan terima kasih atas kerjasama dalam menjamin keamanan di Laut Sulu, dan kita harapkan ke depan sudah tidak ada masalah keamanan lagi di Laut Sulu, dan kita akan bersama-sama berpatroli untuk menjamin keamanan di laut itu. Saya kira 3 hal itu yang bisa saya sampaikan pada sore hari ini, dan saya persilakan Presiden Duterte untuk menyampaikan statementnya.
Thank you, President. Your Excellency. Again, express gratitude for your warm welcome and the exceptional arrangements accorded to me and my delegation during my visit to Indonesia. I'm very pleased and honored to be in Jakarta. The Philippines considers relations with Indonesia as among the most important. And today we have taken steps to ensure that these ties remain vibrant and will gain greater depth and new dimensions. My meeting with President Maduro was very productive and fruitful. We discussed ways of strengthening existing bilateral cooperation and identified new areas of partnership, including maritime security and law enforcement. We agreed to encourage the earliest and effective implementation of cooperative framework to address security issues, which is really the most problem for the 2 countries. We express commitment to take all necessary steps to ensure security in the Blue Sea and maritime areas of common interest. As two of the largest archipelagos in the world, we recognize the value of maritime cooperation, and we will explore in this area, particularly human resource development. And of course, arrangements between aquatic resources expertise and the shipbuilding industry. We also express serious concern over recent developments in the region, including the South China Sea. We call on parties to respect the rule of law and welcome the support of partners in efforts to ensure the security and stability of the region, especially the peaceful settlement of disputes in accordance with international law. We understand that peace is a necessary condition for growth and progress. I express appreciation for Indonesia's abiding support to the Philippine government as we move forward with our peace processes. We also recognize the value of connectivity in spurring and sustaining growth in our countries. We discussed ways to boost air and sea connectivity and how to enhance trade and people-to-people exchanges that can be improved in the lives, particularly in the area of the BIP-IATA. Both sides likewise viewed with great concern the threat of terrorism and violent extremism. We agreed to work together to prevent, arrest, and prosecute all those who seek to sow fear and terror in our societies. We share the deep concern over trade in illicit and illegal drugs and its impact on our society. We will seek ways to intensify cooperation in the campaign against this menace. We all will do our part in contributing to the aim of a drug-free ASEAN community. With the President's chairmanship of ASEAN in 2017, I am glad to hear President Widodo's support for the Philippines. I look forward to working closely with him on regional initiatives and that will strengthen ASEAN. Certainly, the ties that bind the Philippines and Indonesia are long and enduring. The Philippines holds its relations with Indonesia as one that is truly valued. Indonesia is not only a friend, but a brother. Indonesia has assured the Philippines' commitment to grow these relations in the years to come. I look forward to reciprocating President Widodo's hospitality when he visits the Philippines at the mutually convenient time. I look forward to working closely with my friend and partner. I add to just a few minutes of the President. In 1972, there was this problem of oil, and there was almost a crisis. And there was rationing of fuel all over, including my country, the Philippines. I was still a student at the time when I read the assurance of the Indonesian government that not to worry if no oil would get to us by way of the Middle East. And they said, you Filipinos will be supported by Indonesia. You will have your oil and gasoline. For that, I just, as a Venet in life, to just inform how Indonesia has treated us like a big brother. And we will continue to maintain this value of friendship, Mr. President. Thank you, and I thank the Indonesian.